Ready to buy some plants?
Yes. Ako pala kausap.
Of course. So it's Saturday and we decided to go out, maybe buy some more plants. We've already got a lot of plants. See? But we might buy some more. Actually, we might buy some pots for plants. Because as you can see, it's kind of getting to be a mess here in the garden. Because we're not managing them. So maybe we'll put some plants into pots. That way it'll be easier to arrange. This is Norma's garden. So we're back here at the plant shop. It's HALAMANAN SA TAYTay. And we're checking out some new plants to buy. And we're also going to buy some pots. Look at these plants. I think this is papyrus. It looks like papyrus. Maganda yan, oh. Tingnan, oh. Look at that pattern, oh. Red, white, and green.
Opo, mas maganda lago.
Okay.
Hindi naman siya putol-putulan.
I just got this. So this plant is called bottle brush. Bottle brush. It's like a brush for the bottle. And it actually smells so good. Oh, it's like an expensive perfume. Bottle brush.
Mabango sa harap ko pag ano. Mabango sa harapan ko pag...
Look at this. Lots of colorful flowers. They're so tiny. Look. So many little flowers. Okay, para sa lamesa to. Pwede. Look at these. They're like little cucumbers. They look like little cucumbers, zucchini. I like to call them zucchini plants. But they're actually succulent. Oh, look at these. They're like little dragon fruit plants.
Air, ano to lang oh. Air, ano tawag doon?
See? Look at those flowers. Guardians of the Galaxy. Okay, I think I'm gonna get one of these alien plants. So it's an air plant. Ano tawag dito?
Pero parang pinagputulan
Air plant lang? Walang ano?
Hindi ko ano eh, kung ano pangalan niya.
Okay, so this is an air plant, this alien looking plant. And it will produce yellow flowers. One of the strangest plants I've seen here. Kuha ka?
Sabi mo.
Oh yeah, kuha mo.
Yellow ang bulaklak. Ay, ito pala may bulaklak na.
Hindi, iba yan.
Iba din yan.
Saan ito ilalagay? Ganyan lang?
O air lang siya.
Paano siya gagawin?
Spray lang.
Pwede ba nga itong isang kunan ko?
Dumadami?
Benta din niya sa amin. Benta rin sa amin. Ay, may bulaklak na isa oh. May mga bulaklak na iba niyan. Kuha ka.
Ibali, ito na lang.
Eh natin may bulaklak ate, ano?
Ito purple ang bulaklak
Ito,
nito.
ito, sa ilalim yan. May bulaklak na ilalim.
Hindi yan, ito. Yan.
Ganda, ang ganda.
Ito.
Bubuka na yung bulaklak. Ito.
Oo.
Pabuka na. Ay, oo. Yung mo ah.
Ang babayar, ang galing.
Oo.
Kaya lang, saan mo di-display? Tapos makita
Saan ko lalagay ito mo? Yahan lang, kahit saan mo yan. Rare plant.
So they say this is a rare plant. This is called as the string of hearts
Ito, string of pearl.
because it's heart shaped. The leaves are heart shaped,
Ano siya?
like a string of hearts. See, the leaves are heart shaped. See that? Heart shaped.
Ito naman, string of pearl.
Oh, and this is called the string of pearls.
Okay. Ayan po.
They're like pearls. Also succulent plant.
Ito dapat 150.
There's another different kind. You have black leaves with yellow stripes, with pink stripes.
Yan. 400.
So that's 400 pesos.
Ano yan? Red peacock.
Red peacock.
Ayun, parang finger. Ano yan eh, yung mini. Mini lang yan.
Mini photos.
Mini man. Yan eh, regalo sa akin pero ibibigay ko na sa
Strange looking desert rose plants here. See this bulbous base, and the flowers are red.
double petals.
There's another one of those red desert rose plants.
Ang tanggalin yung guyabano.
Look at this
Palitan ko na lang yung magandang guyabano.
amazing leaf.
Palitan ko na lang yung sungkot. Hanggat bata pa ako. Pabili ako yung ano, yung mahaba.
Right, so this is what we came for. Pot.
Nakakapili ba ng ganito? Hindi, tatayang mo yan mga...
Yan yung Hormex mo.
Ha?
Hormex.
Ito yung Hormex. Oh, Hormex ba yun?
If your plants lack nitrogen,
Iba yung
At
sasabi
for-
ko yan. Di ba no? Nakapagpong sila. Wala magkano to?
so this is our plant house for today. So wait, there's more. They're not through buying, so there's gonna be more. Maybe this will get filled up.